country as a whole, in fact.
Kanlong da shisha ka jing sarong ya ka jela Meghalaya hi barok kawai hadian ba arngut ki he pulit ki bakentup yau ba Alan Marbanyang bat ka kong wan dalins imyong kila Shah pynkup burom ha ka arpusau tarik naitung halor ka jing job ya ka takma ksiar ha ka World Police and Fire Games 2025 kabalalong ha Birmingham, Alabama, USA. Hakani ka jing yalang pynkup burom bala penlong ha susu tham auditorium Shillong Laidon lang usumbut Menteri Rangba kejela ubak kami ia ketenat kampok ying ubak Presiden Tensong kum ukongsan bat Menteri ketenat sports ubak Shah warjeri kum usumbut kongsan nalor ki officer na ketenat pulit bat kiwei. Ha kejingkren ubak Presiden ula ai kejing ro ya kini ki arngut ki hek pulit ki balayo ya kini kejing job ling ba kejing tre shitom bat kejing ai tilut da ka boong ba kini kejing job ka jongki kan ai mensim shibun ya ketenat pulit kumju ya ki samla ya lek kai ka jela. Mentah kasi ka jela hi barok ka wei ka penpau ya kejing sngo sarong ban job ya ketak maksiar ha kerensan jong ka pertei shisin ka dei tang kejing pok sniu na ka benta ka Meghalaya. Henry ki kun kentai shendrang jongi kila pen urlong ya kani kejing pok sniu. Pila wanrah burom tang ya ketenat pulit Henry ki nong shong shnong ka jelahi barok ka wei ong ubak Presiden. Ubak Presiden ula pen kan mauru ha kejing yalang bamenta ya ka Meghalaya Sports Policy la pen tre kampura. Kaba kentup ya ki kendon bakerpang na kebenta ki nong yelek kai ki basyakri hakikam sorkar kentup ya kejing gentiu kerdan bat kejing itu. Karbana kaliang Menteri ketenat sports ubak Shah warjeri haba ai kublai kerpang ya kini ki arngut ki hek pulit ki bawan raknam ya kejela ula ong ba hakani ketenat ki don shibun ki sab ya lekai ya ki bompat syam la pendenkam. Da kejing long renti bat kejing tre shitom ngangai scam ba bunkin sawan rak tak kemana ke benta kejela Meghalaya ha ka National Games ka banwan da ka baban rap ru ba ketenat sports kan penyo ya kejing kershan na ke benta kini ki arngut ki hek pulit. Na kaliang ka Director General of Police DGP ka kong Ida Shisha Nongrang kala penbena basyan on sathau ya ka Meghalaya Police Sports Board ban penslur bat penbej renti ya ki kami lekai hapok kani ketenat.
As a token of love and respect, special assistance will also be given to you. I will not tell you the amount. You please read out the policy by yourself. So let me just tell you one thing. You must have seen the humble beginning done by the government. We have tried our best to bring in new initiative. Because when we talk about sports, it closely relates to our young girls and young boys. My dear young friends, please read out those blueprints that we laid down, and you will get inspired if you spend your time at least 1 hour to read out the policy that we laid. I think not less than 37 disciplines state government is recognizing these 37 plus disciplines in the state of Meghalaya, out of which maybe 1 or 2 disciplines you take it up and please specialize it. National and international, as I've said to you, the guiding book is already in place. You will be paid back if certain amount of award is brought back to the state government. And let me also remind you, during the budget that we had for 2025-2026, up to 2026-27 in the sports sector itself, we have already provided not less than 1,900 crores in this sector alone, which is very, very encouraging. So therefore, I would like to request young boys and young girls, the opportunity is now in your doorstep. You need, therefore, to grab this opportunity. On behalf of the government, we have two special human beings, being our own daughter, Wandalin Semyong, being our own son, Alan Marbanyang, of the Home Department, and also the citizen of the state of Meghalaya. The whole state, this moment, congratulate the achievement made and also the laurels brought by you to a small state like Meghalaya. To get gold medal in the universe, I think it is only a dream for the state of Meghalaya, being the smallest state. But let me tell you, it has happened through our brother and sister, and I'm very sure it will also be inspired to all of us today and also in the days to come. Friends, let me tell you, the state sports policy is now being implemented, it is now being enforced. Our sports minister has just mentioned that special recognition will be followed for these two young son and daughter of the state of Meghalaya. And let me tell you, in the policy, if you go through line by line, clause by clause, there is a provision which was already provided that special recognition, especially for those employees who already in the government, promotion has to be considered to them. That is one special. The family of these two great leaders, two great son and daughter of Meghalaya, Wandalin Semyong, Alan Marbanyang, along with your parents, your family members, God will shower His blessing. I am very sure you will continue to aim and to have also the ambition of getting more laurels. Maybe if we have more than gold, I would prefer that you should get super gold. If we can have super gold, nothing like it. But please bring more. You have created a history to the people of the state. And I'm very sure this history will keep repeating every year. So with these few words, once again, I would request all of us to kindly spread this example made by these two brother and sister. We spread it throughout the state. And I'm very sure our young boys and young girls will also follow their footsteps. God bless Meghalaya. God bless police force. God bless both the family of Wandalin and Alan Marbanyang. Thank you so much.